The biggest mistake people make in a job search isn't strategic, it's structural. They don't have a routine. Without a routine, searching becomes reactive. You check LinkedIn when you're anxious. You send applications in bursts when your guilt overwhelms you. The emotional roller coaster of a search without structure is brutal and it produces terrible results. Here's the routine I'd prescribe: 45 minutes a day. Sustainable whether you're employed or in transition. First 15 minutes, LinkedIn hygiene. Add connections, engage with posts, recognize milestones. This isn't performative. LinkedIn recruiters ranked active profiles higher in search results. Activity equals visibility. Next 30 minutes, targeted search and connection building. Search in the past 24 hours. When you find a role you want, work the networking hierarchy first. Who in your network works there? Can someone introduce you? The cold application is the backup plan, not the first move. That's it. 45 minutes every day. Not when you feel like it, every day. Job searching is a discipline, not a panic response. Build the routine, trust the routine. The routine replaces the anxiety with action. I'm Danesh. If you'd like to learn more, visit me at danesh.com.